Hey kids, it's Uncle Mikey again. Happy Cinco de Mayo. It's the celebration of Mexican mayonnaise, I think. In honor of Cinco de Mayo, I'm going to be preparing a delicious Mexican feast from a box. All right, today we are having chicken enchiladas, El Monterrey chicken enchilada. Oh, let me not cover up the beautiful picture, because we're going to see that what comes out of the microwave looks exactly like what's on the box yet again. So this will be delicious. And I also have a backup plan, because these are chicken enchiladas. Chicken right up there. Cheese enchiladas. Delicious El Monterrey cheese enchiladas. And since these are only, let's see, this one's 490 calories, and this one is a much smaller print. Oh, this is 520 calories. I guess the chicken has some extra calories. This will be basically my whole meal or all of my meals for the day. I hope you're doing okay with the lockdown. You know, in times like these, it's very important to have a fully stocked freezer full of delicious Mexican microwavable foods. So let's see, we're gonna go with, I think I'm gonna start with the cheese enchiladas. You think? They take 4 minutes and 50 seconds from frozen, and I just took these out of the freezer. This one is 4 minutes and 50 seconds from frozen, so they're consistent. That's good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the microwave, and we'll take a look and see what it comes out as. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and tear open this package here. I'm just super excited about this, as I am everything. You know, when you see Uncle Mikey, he's gonna be super excited. All right, look at that. Doesn't that look appetizing? It does. It certainly looks delicious. I'm a little small for the almost 500 calories that it's going to be, or a little over 500 for the. Oh, I'm doing the cheese first, so it's just under 500 calories. Does that look like 500 calories? I don't know. All right, it's cooking. I don't know what we missed there. Apparently, my camera shut itself off. Still working out all this technology stuff here. It's sometimes very confusing. All right, just finished up with the 2 minutes and 30 seconds. The camera stopped recording for some reason at one point, so I had to vent the rice side of the container, not the other side, the rice side of the container. And so I vented that, and then 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and we'll see what it says to do next. I think it's gonna want me to, oh, shut up. I think it's gonna want me to cook it again. Remove tray from oven, pull film back on the rice side, and stir side to side evenly. All right. Removing. Stirring, well, actually removing film from the rice side. Oh, it steams up, so it's kind of hard to see. Removing the film from the rice side. It's a little hot, so. All right, now stirring side to side. Side to side. Ah, yuck, there's beans in here. I looked specifically on the ingredients and I didn't see beans, but I must have missed them. I'm not a fan of beans. All right, now do I have to replace the film, recover, and cook on high for 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So it was 2 minutes and 30 seconds before, now it's 2 minutes and 20 seconds. All right, back in the box. All right, we'll be waiting on that, and I'll see you in another 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Very excited about this. Yep. All right, that's it. Ready to open this up and try it out? Oh, do I have to let it... Let me see if I have to let it sit for a minute. I really should read these instructions before I get you all watching, but that wouldn't be any fun. Let products stand 2 minutes before eating. Oh well. Maybe I should get the other one going. I'm going to do that. I'm going to get the other one going. All right. All right, now this one, because that's going to wait for 2 minutes. This one's going to be 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Then film on one corner on the rice side of the tray before cooking. Cook on high for 2 minutes, 30 seconds, blah, blah, blah. Same instructions. All right, just tear this open and take a look at the contents. Are y'all hungry? I am. I'm really hungry. All right, let's see. Oh, Jesus, camera. Stop it! All right. You watching? Chicken enchiladas. Enchiladas for Cinco de Mayo. To all of my Hispanic friends out there, I apologize deeply for my ignorance of your culture. But, you know, this is my experience with Mexican food. It's actually not true. I don't know if there's any chance that Paula Valdez is watching this, but she was my neighbor back in Bolingbrook, and she was from Mexico and made the most delicious Mexican meals for me, and that's hot. The tray and the fact that she made Mexican food for me. But she's married to a wonderful guy, Mike Ferguson, and yeah, so I have had really good Mexican food. I'm sure this is gonna measure up nicely. All right, 2, 3, 0, and we wait. Wow, that put some Chipotle to shame, wouldn't it? I'm just kidding, Chipotle. If you need somebody to sponsor for commercials, I'm available. Chipotle. All right, let's see if El Monterey measures up. I'm gonna go ahead and get a plate to put this on because it actually is very hot. All right, let's see. Let me just pan down a little bit here so you can see. Look at that delicious cheese enchilada with rice and beans. A rose cone frijoles. I'm gonna try the rice and beans first. Yeah, it's all right. All right, let's try this cheese enchilada. See that? All right, here we go. Wish me luck. Hot! Oh, it's hot. All right, try this again. It's all right. Cinco de Mayo. I think I'm gonna wait on the chicken. We'll see how that goes. All right, I'll be back. All right, I'm gonna pop this out and stir it. I'm not gonna show you the stirring. If any of you don't know how to stir food, then you got bigger problems than cooking up Uncle Mikey's microwave enchiladas. Beans in this one too. Ugh. Beans. All right, covering it back up, and 2 minutes and 20 seconds. All right, we'll be back. All right, we got a few seconds left on the delicious El Monterey chicken enchiladas. Here they are, and Ooh, it's sizzling. You know, the cheese one didn't sizzle. I don't know what was up with that. I'm gonna put it on the plate here because sizzly means it's hot, right? All right, 2 more minutes while it sits and sizzles. You hear that? Can you hear it? Yeah, it's pretty much done sizzling now. You know what? I'm hungry. Forget about this 2-minute rule. Woohoo! Steamy. Hot stuff. You see that? Isn't that just fantastic? You can see the steam coming off of it. Wafting. Actually, it doesn't look bad. Honestly, it looks better than the cheese enchilada. They did something different with the rice. It's got some kind of yellow dye on it, which I don't know if it'll taste any different, but it does have corn in it too, so here, take a look at that. All right, let's see how it tastes. I hate those beans. It's black beans too. It's totally like the worst kind of bean. All right, there we go. A little rice. Oh, that's way better. The other is just kind of plain white rice with some beans in it. That yellow dye is tasty. I don't know, kind of chickeny flavored. Maybe that's what it's supposed to be. Chicken dye. All right, and into the chicken enchilada. Now remember, this was hot, so I'm going to blow on it first. Hot! Wow! Yeah, it's hot. I don't know what the waiting 2 extra minutes would have done. Sorry, I don't like to talk with my mouth full. But, yeah, got it. Ooh. That's way better than the cheese enchilada. From a comparison standpoint, and I don't even really like chicken. If I could have found the one with beef, I would have gone with that. But the cheese is really boring. The rice is not great. It's all right. It was boring. And then, of course, you know, you throw chicken in the mix and it's got like this creamy sauce. You see? Can you see the sauce? Yeah, kind of. There's not a lot of it. There's some there. We goop it around a little bit and stir it. It didn't say to stir the sauce up on top in the directions, but excuse me, but yeah, you gotta stir the sauce around. I'll take another bite. This is actually pretty good. El Monterey, you did all right. Let's see. One more last bite here and then I'll let you go. For a microwave Cinco de Mayo, it's not too bad. It is a little chewy. I suppose microwaving a tortilla is probably not the best treatment for it. All right, kids. Well, happy Cinco de Mayo. I hope everything is going safe with you and your loved ones in your homes, hiding from the scary virus. Yada, yada. Be well. Bye.